Hello everyone, this is iMADiT from iMADiT, and in this video we'll be doing a traditional but also chill iPhone XR unboxing. The iPhone XR is actually pretty expensive, even though it is the cheaper alternative to the iPhone XS and XS Max. If you don't already know, I like to keep my content short, condensed, and most importantly, crap-free. So let's get on with the unboxing. Like all Apple products, the first step is to remove the outer plastic wrapping the box. Did you know that when you buy the product red iPhone, you actually contribute to the global fund to fight AIDS? This is awesome, and hey, you get a cool looking phone in the process. It's a win-win situation. There we have the phone. Just like traditional unboxings, I will put this aside for now. And in the meantime, you can enjoy the headphones, chargers, and other crap. Let's take a closer look and see what we have inside the box. Besides the phone, you get Lightning headphones since the phone doesn't have a headphone jack. We also get USB to Lightning connector, as well as a slow charger even though the phone is capable of fast charging. Of course, we also get the manuals, guides, and Apple stickers. If you want to use normal headphones, you have to pay $20 for the dongle that used to be pre-included with previous models. On to the most crucial part of this video, which is peeling off this plastic. It is crucial because it's very enjoyable, but also because from this moment on, this phone will be full of fingerprints. And there you have it, the iPhone XR product red 64 gigs. Generally this video would be over, but I want to add the following notes. One thing that bothers me is the camera bump. It's large, so unless you have a case, which you should, it's gonna be pretty annoying. I also noticed that the XR is considerably thicker than my old 6S. All that aside, this phone looks gorgeous. I really like the back glass and the aluminum sides. I'd say it's a great looking phone. And although it has an LCD display, as opposed to the iPhone XS which has a superior OLED panel, it still looks fantastic. Anyway, this phone comes in 6 colors: blue, red, white, black, coral, and yellow. And the storage configuration starts from 64 gigs. This isn't a review of the iPhone XR. Regardless, I want to mention that this phone has a lot of features that already exist in the more expensive iPhones, like Face ID, wireless charging, fast charging, as well as having the same CPU. I hope you enjoyed this short video, and if you like more chill content, you know what to do.